Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a good day. We're going to briefly review about how to evaluate functions for given values. So you'll notice that I'm presented with three different functions, f of x, g of x, h of x. It's important that you pay attention to the letter, so if they ask you to insert a certain value, you're putting it into the right function. So for example 1, we want f of -2, so we're going to first use this function, and we're going to replace x with -2. So that's -2 times -2 to the power of 3 plus 4. Now you can use a calculator to type that whole thing in and get your answer, or you can kind of do it more in your head. Remember that to the power 3 does not mean -2 times 3. It is not -6. It means -2 times -2 times -2. So we have the first -2, and then we have 3 of these. So 1, 2, 3. And then we'll have a plus 4. -2 times -2 is 4. Times another -2 is -8. Times another -2 is a positive 16. Plus 4, we would get an answer of 20. Example 2, we're going to be putting -2 in for x. This time we're going to use g. So that's a negative times a -2 to the power of 2 plus 6. -2 times itself is positive 4, but we still have a negative sign out front, so that's -4. Plus 6 is positive 2. And for the last one, we are going to use the h of x. Again, we're going to plug in -2 for x. So that's -2 minus 5 over 2. -2 minus 5 is -7 over -2. You can just leave it -7 over 2, or if you really want, you can change that to -3.5. I hope you all have an excellent day. Take care, and I will see you soon.